Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time. It's because I've been very busy and also couldn't find the right ingredients for this, and I promised it was going to be the next video, so I couldn't do anything else. So I finally found the right ingredients, and this DIY is Mizu Shingen Mochi, or Raindrop Cake, which was requested by 0 stars in my life, highlights in history. I couldn't find this person's original comment, so I can't feature that one, but I will feature a different comment which says Mizu Shingen Mochi sometime hopefully. So yes, it is finally here. I'm finally uploading, and it's this really cool textured raindrop cake thing that's like, it's like jiggly, it's clear, and it's really cool. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go on.
So you're gonna start out with 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and a half tablespoon of agar, and then mix it together. Agar is an ingredient mostly found in international stores, or you can buy it on Amazon, and it's to make the jelly consistency. Then pour 1.5 cups of water in a pot. Then add your mixture of agar and sugar slowly at a time. Then you're gonna mix for a while. Then you're going to add a little bit more and mix. And then you're gonna do it another time, but after this time, after you mix, you're gonna add the rest of it. So you do basically 3 times using a small amount, then you're gonna use the whole thing. Then slowly get it to a boil, and then take it off the heat and let it cool in ice cold water, and mix it while it's in the ice cold water. Don't let it solidify in the water. Then pour it into these ice ball molds or a sphere mold. You can buy these on Amazon, or I don't know, I found it on Amazon, but you might find it at the store, or you might already have one. And make sure you fill it up all the way. Mine wasn't complete, fill it up all the way. So this one right here, since I did 2, was a fail. I didn't leave it in the refrigerator that much, so I'm just letting you see what happened. Now this one I'm going to show you, and I had to do it very carefully because I didn't want it to break after seeing what happened to my last one. And it came out perfectly, except I left that one in the refrigerator a little too long. Now you're going to put brown sugar syrup on top of the mochi and some roasted soybean flour on top, and you have to get a good equal amount of each ingredient. It tastes really good when you add this, so you need it, or else it'll just taste bland. So now for the moment of truth, I'm going to try it, and it tastes so good. It's like refreshing, it's so amazing, it's jiggly. Mine, I left it in the refrigerator a little too long, so it wasn't that well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you aren't mad that I haven't uploaded in a long time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!